Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve this question of mixture and alligation. The question is 48 liters of benzene is mixed with 144 liters of glycerin. D liters is taken out from the mixture and 32 liters of benzene and 48 liters of glycerin are added in the mixture. The final mixture contains 30% benzene. Find a quantity of mixture that is taken out. So let's first understand what's the scenario going on. So in a container, we have 48 liters of benzene and 144 liters of glycerin. I'm removing d liters from this mixture. D liters is taken off from the mixture, and I'm adding 32 liters of benzene and 48 liters of glycerin into it. And the final mixture will have 30% benzene. So they have asked me the value of this D. Find a quantity of mixture that is taken off. D liters is taken off. So they have asked me this value of D. So this is the overall scenario of this question. We will solve this question by two methods. First by alligation, and the second one is by a ratio method. So let's see what's alligation. So benzene and glycerin. Initially we have this thing, 48 liters, 144 liters. The sum of the entire mixture is 192 liters. This is the sum. This is what the ratio is, what 12 fours are 48, 12 12s are 144. 4 into 3 is 12. So the ratio of this benzene and glycerin in the initial mixture is 1:3. Okay. Now I'm removing d liters from this mixture. Okay, fine. When I'm removing d liters from this mixture, this d liters will have, this is the important concept, this d liter will have benzene and glycerin in the ratio of 1:3. Same ratio will be there over here. And after removal, this portion will still have 1:3 ratio of benzene and glycerin. The ratio will not change unless and until I'm adding something to it. Okay, fine. So after this step, I will add something else, 32 liters of benzene and 48 liters of glycerin. Then the ratio will change. Before that, the ratio will not change. So initially, we are having the benzene and glycerin in the ratio of 1:3. And finally, I'm adding to it 32 liters of benzene and 48 liters of glycerin. This is 16 twos are 16 threes are benzene and glycerin. Now I'm mixing both this solution, and while mixing I can apply alligation. So over here in the first case I'm having benzene by total as 1/4. One part is benzene and total solution is 4. 1 plus 2 is 4. Similarly over here the benzene is 2 parts and the total will be 2 plus 3, that is 5. And the question has given the final mixture has 30% benzene, that is 3/10. Now we can apply alligation to it. This sum ups to 80 liters. Apply alligation now. When we have a ratio in alligation, if you want to do it quickly, then make the denominator same by making it in the form of LCM. So the LCM of 4, 10 and 5 is 20. So multiply 5 in the numerator and denominator over here. So 5/20. Over here multiply by 4 and divide by 4. 8/20. And over here 6/20. Now we can apply alligation very quickly. 6 minus 5 is 1, 8 minus 6 is 2. So this solution and this solution will be in the ratio of 2:1. This 1 corresponds to how much? 80 liters. So 1 corresponds to 80 liters. So 2 will correspond to how much? 160 liters. So I'm mixing 160 liters of the original solution with 80 liters of the second solution. Okay, fine. But initially I had 192 liters over here. I have removed d liters and I have got 160 liters. So how much liters I have removed? That is 32 liters is the answer of this question. So d liters is 32 liters. So this is how we get the answer of this question. The answer is 32 liters. Let me do this entire process very quickly again. I'll erase this thing. Initially there was 48 liters of benzene and 144 liters of glycerin. This sum ups to 192 liters. This is in the ratio of 1:3. And after removing d liters, the ratio will still remain the same. and I'm adding 32 liters of benzene and 48 liters of glycerin. This is 2:3. Now we can apply alligation over here. 1/4, 2/5, and the mixture is having 3/10. Make the denominator same, that is 20. 4, 5, 20, 20, 5, 20, and over here 8, 20, over here 6, 20. Now we can apply alligation. 6/20 minus 5/20, that is 1/20. 20, 20 will get cancelled of both these things. So that's why I have not written it earlier. So 2:1. 1 correspond to 80 liters, this 80 liters. So 2 will correspond to 160 liters. How 160 liters we have got? By removing D liters. And what is the value of D? 192 minus 160, that is 32 liters. This is the answer. Okay, fine. So this is one of the method of solving this question. The other method is ratio method. 48, 144. And I have 192 liters. This is in the ratio of x 1:3. So I can write it as x and 3x. X and 3x. After removing d liters minus d liters, I will still have the ratio of x and 3x. There will not be any change in the ratio. And I'm adding 32 liters of benzene. This is benzene and glycerin. 32 liters of benzene and 48 liters of glycerin. Then the final mixture will have 30% benzene and 70% glycerin. So x plus 32 divided by 3x plus 48 is equal to 30/70, that is 3/7. 7x plus 32 into 7, 7 to the 14, 7 to the 21, 22 is equal to 9x plus 8 to the 24, 2, 4 to the 12, 13, 14. So 2x is equal to 80, x equal to 40. So I got x equal to 40. This is x plus 3x, that is 4x. And I know the value of x, that is 40. 4 into 10, 4 into 40, that is 160. Over here 160. So after removing d liters, I'm getting 160. So 192 minus 160, that is 32 liters is the answer of this question. So from here also you can get the answer. So this is another way of solving this question. I hope you have understood the concept, and thank you for watching this video. If you like the contents that I'm putting over here, then do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.